We're ready to shape our jalapeno cheddar bagels. My dough has been rising. It's definitely doubled in size. Now you're just gonna divide this. This is a half a batch because I'm doing cinnamon sugar for the other half. So I'm gonna divide this into 6 pieces. I'm just making them as even as I can by eyeballing. And then what you're gonna do is kind of do a bunch of little loaves over, and we're gonna make it into a ball. So I'm bringing all the outside edges into the center first. And then I'm just going to do my push and pulls. So do that to all of them, and we're gonna lay these on parchment paper. And I like to put them on individual pieces of parchment paper because it makes it easier to drop them into the boiling water. And you'll see that on our next step. Okay, once you have them all into balls, you're gonna take each one, poke your finger through the middle, and stretch it out. I like to make my hole big so that it's prettier in the end. Here they all are. Gonna cover it in plastic wrap and let it sit for an hour. Okay, the bagels have had time to rise, so now we're gonna drop it into boiling water. I'm gonna take each bagel and just reinforce that hole. So that looks good. Now I'm just gonna drop it in. We're gonna boil it for about 30 seconds on each side. And I like to do 3 at a time. Just gonna flip it once and then let it go for 30 more seconds. And then just drain it as good as you can. I'm just using a slotted spoon and put them on a parchment lined cookie sheet. Those are finished. And for the beautiful jalapeno cheddar, we're gonna top each one with some cheddar, and then we're gonna put 3 jalapenos on top like that. So I'm gonna do that to each one. So these are also going in a 425-degree oven uncovered. Now these are beautiful. They cook 23 minutes at 425 degrees with no lid. They've been cooling for about 45 minutes, and we're gonna cut into them and try them. And jalapeno cheddar, look at all that cheese. I thought these would make delicious sandwiches. Oops. Inside is perfect. That is good. Those are extra fluffy. You wanna try it? There you have it. Go make some bagels.